The islands of Hawaii. Where fire meets the sea and paradise breathes beneath volcanic skies. From rugged cliffs to emerald valleys, every island tells a story. Shaped by lava, ocean, and time. Today, I'm taking you above it all, to see Hawaii from a perspective most people never do. This isn't the Hawaii from postcards. This is Hawaii unseen. Before we take off, where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. One, Waiʻānapanapa Valley, Big Island. Carved deep into the northeastern coast, Waiʻānapanapa Valley is known as the Valley of the Kings. Once home to ancient Hawaiian royalty, its cliffs rise nearly 2,000 feet above lush taro fields and waterfalls. From above, the winding river glimmers like silver threads against a canvas of deep green. Two, Kīlauea Volcano, Hawaiʻi Volcanoes National Park. Few places on Earth feel as alive as Kīlauea, one of the world's most active volcanoes. Here, molten lava once flowed into the sea, creating new land before your eyes. The black volcanic plains look like another planet, and when the light hits the steam vents, it's pure magic. Three, Punaluʻu Black Sand Beach. A beach made entirely of volcanic glass. The famous Punaluʻu. The sand here is jet black. Shimmering under the sun, and sea turtles often rest on its shore. It's a place where creation and life coexist. Proof of how fire gives birth to beauty. 4. Hana Highway, Maui. Stretching for over 60 miles, the Hana Highway is a ribbon of road, twisting through rainforests and waterfalls. From the air, it looks like a green serpent hugging the coast. Each turn reveals something new. Hidden pools, bamboo forests, and secret beaches that time forgot. If you could drive this road, would you stop at every waterfall or just keep cruising? Tell me in the comments. 5. Halakala Crater, Maui. At sunrise, Halakala feels like standing on the edge of creation. This massive dormant volcano rises above the clouds, and and the sky glows in layers of orange and gold. It's known as the House of the Sun, and it's easy to see why. Six, Waikiki Beach, Oahu, Waikiki, where the modern world meets ancient waves. Once reserved for Hawaiian royalty, it's now a playground of surfboards, palm trees, and golden sunsets. From above, the turquoise waters shimmer against the skyline of Honolulu, a view that never gets old. Seven, Diamond Head Crater. Oahu, just beyond Waikiki, stands Diamond Head, a volcanic crater over 300,000 years old. Its unique shape makes it one of Hawaii's most iconic landmarks. Climbing to the top gives you sweeping views of the island, but from the sky, it's even more breathtaking. Eight, Napali Coast, Kauai. The Napali coast feels untouched, like a secret kept by nature herself. Its jagged cliffs rise straight from the ocean, cloaked in green and mist. It's been featured in countless films, but nothing compares to seeing it in person, raw, wild, and eternal. Would you dare to hike along these cliffs or just admire them from a helicopter? Drop your answer below. 9. Hanalei Bay, Kauai. A perfect crescent of sand, backed by mountains and waterfalls. That's Hanalei Bay. Surfers glide across its waves, while rainbows stretch over the valley after a storm. It's peaceful, poetic, and feels like time slows down here. 10. Molokini Crater, Maui Half. Submerged in crystal blue waters, Molokini is a volcanic crescent teeming with marine life. It's one of the best snorkeling spots in the world, with coral gardens and fish of every color. From above, it looks like a piece of the moon resting in the Pacific. 11. Lanai Island. Once known as the Pineapple Island, Lanai has a quiet charm that's worlds away from the tourist crowds. You'll find red cliffs, empty beaches, and the mysterious Garden of the Gods, a landscape of alien-like rocks. It's Hawaii's hidden chapter, raw and untamed. 12. Pearl Harbor, Oahu, a place of history and remembrance. From the air, you can see the USS Arizona Memorial, a white structure floating above the sunken ship below. It's peaceful now, but the story it tells echoes across generations. Have you ever visited a place that left you completely speechless? Share it with me in the comments. I read them all. Flying over Hawaii reminds me of something simple yet profound. This land is alive. It breathes, it grows, and it carries stories older than time itself. From its fiery volcanoes to its tranquil bays, every corner of Hawaii is a reminder of nature's power and grace. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, make sure to subscribe for more unseen places around the world. There's so much beauty waiting to be discovered. And together, we'll keep exploring it